Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this coffee syrup organizer is such an excellent way to be able to store our coffee syrups, to keep at our small coffee bar, to keep it organized and also to save space. And it works for both my smaller and larger bottles of coffee syrup. The stadium style design really makes it easy to access and use the bottles on either level. And it was very simple to assemble, and it's quite sturdy. And also important is that it's easy to wipe down in case I get syrup on it. It could also be used for other things in the kitchen, like condiments. I love the organized look I get from this coffee syrup organizer, as well as the ease of accessing my coffee syrups. And that's my point of view.